Hey, this is Paul from Stain Out Manufacturing, and this is the magnetic transport tray that works with the G3 and the SUDS sprayer. So I'm going to show you how to install it and everything that comes in the box. So first off, you get the tray itself, and then you're going to see hardware, screws, machine screws, and nuts that will work with the casters. On the casters, you're going to get two that are non-locking and two locking casters, and I'll go over the orientation on those. You're going to get two metal discs and hardware for those metal discs, and then lastly you're going to get two magnets and hardware for those magnets. And just be careful, do not let the magnets touch. They are very, very strong. Okay, let's start with the casters. There's two ways you can do the casters. You can either put your locking casters on one side, or you can go diagonal. I always go diagonal with mine, and so I'm going to show you how to set that up. So with our hardware, we'll start off with one caster first. Take our screw, and we'll drop our screw in. And then on the other side, we'll pick it up with our nut. Now, the tools you need for this is a Phillips bit and a 3/8 wrench for this part. Okay, so we'll mount the first one. So I like to put the screws down from the top there. And then we'll do that to all the rest of them. So next we're going to use a Phillips bit, and we'll need a 3/8 wrench to tighten them up. So easy way to do it, just like this. And then we'll do all of them. So next will be our metal disc, and the way that screw goes in there, and this will drop into these holes like that, and then you'll go with one washer and one nut, and then we're going to use the same hardware, which is the Phillips bit and the 3/8 wrench. I might as well just go ahead and do it. It's that simple, huh? That's it, and then we'll do the other one. So that's set up, and this is the bottom of the G3. Obviously yours is going to be fully set up and you can just lay it down to work on it, but here's basically how it's going to work. Is we're going to take one of these magnets, and it's going to get mounted to these small holes right here on the ends, and it's going to come with self-tapping screws. Now this is what is going to attach to the metal disc. So let me show you how to install those. Okay, so easiest thing is your Phillips bit onto the screw. The most difficult part is just the magnet trying to take over. So once you get that situated right onto that hole, and then slowly install it till it's snug. Do not over tighten this, and then we'll do the second one. So after you have your magnets placed on there, this is the orientation of how it will be fitted onto the tray, and the magnets will lock right in and they'll be held in place. So now your tray is always attached, and you want it in this orientation. This way you can always access your battery also. So there you go. That is your locking magnetic rolling tray for the G3 and the SUDS sprayer.